Ever wondered what's really going on in her mind when she ignores you? You know, when you send a text and or you try to make plans and she's suddenly got a very important date. With Netflix, it's like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded, right? Today we're diving into the secret thoughts women have when they choose to ignore you. Stay tuned, because you might be surprised by what you learn. You might even chuckle a little. Don't worry, I won't tell anyone. Secret 1. Is she testing your interest? Okay, first up, let's talk about the interest test. You know what I'm talking about. She might be ignoring you because she wants to see how you'll react. Think of it like a little game. And no, I don't mean the kind with joysticks. She wants to know if you're really interested or just playing the field. Will you send another text? Will you try to make plans again? Or will you just shrug and move on? Her silence is her way of saying, show me you're worth it. It's like a trust fall, but with texting instead of falling. Secret 2. She just needs a little me time. Sometimes ladies need a little space. And no, I don't mean to go to outer space, although that would be pretty amazing. I'm talking about emotional space. She might be ignoring you because she needs time to think, to process her emotions, or maybe just to binge watch that show everyone's talking about. It's not personal, it's just her way of recharging her batteries. Think of it like putting your phone on Do Not Disturb. Sometimes you just need a break from the notifications, you know? Secret 3. Feeling the pressure? She might be too. Let's be honest, life can be overwhelming. It's like juggling flaming bowling pins while riding a unicycle on a tightrope. And sometimes, when women are feeling overwhelmed, they need to pull back a little. It doesn't mean she doesn't care. It just means she needs to deal with what's on her plate before she can give you her full attention. So give her some time and space to sort things out. She'll be back before you know it, hopefully without any singed eyebrows from those flaming bowling pins. Secret 4. The mystery of the mixed signals. Have you ever tried to read a map that's in a different language? That's kind of what it's like trying to decipher a woman's feelings sometimes. She might be ignoring you because she's not even sure how she feels herself. She might be attracted to you, but also a little scared. Or maybe she's just confused about what she wants. It's like she's trying to solve a puzzle, and she needs a little time to put all the pieces together. Be patient, my friend. The answer will reveal itself eventually. Secret 5. Life happens, and sometimes it's messy. Here's a newsflash. Women have lives outside of their relationships. Shocking, I know. She might be ignoring you because she's dealing with a family issue, a work crisis, or maybe her dog ate her homework. Okay, maybe not that last one, but you get the point. Sometimes life throws curveballs, and when it does, it can take up all of our attention. So, before you jump to conclusions, remember that her silence might have nothing to do with you. She's probably just got a lot going on. Secret 6. The Great Chase and Why It Matters. Okay, let's talk about the chase. No, not the kind with helicopters and car chases, although that would make for a very exciting date. I'm talking about the dance between wanting to be pursued and wanting to maintain your independence. Sometimes a woman might ignore you because she wants to see if you'll pursue her. It's not about playing games. It's about gauging your interest and commitment. Do you really like her, or are you just casually interested? Her silence is her way of finding out. Secret 7. Shielding her heart and her sanity. Let's face it, relationships can be wonderful, but they can also be messy and complicated. And sometimes, the best way to protect yourself from getting hurt is to build up a few walls. If a woman has been hurt in the past, she might be hesitant to let her guard down again. So if she's ignoring you, it might be her way of protecting herself. She's not trying to push you away, she's just trying to protect her heart. Secret 8. The waiting game and why it's not always bad. Sometimes the hardest thing to do is to wait. We want everything instantly, but good things take time. And sometimes a woman might be ignoring you because she's waiting for you to make the first move. Maybe she's shy, maybe she's unsure, or maybe she just wants to see if you're really interested. Whatever the reason, her silence is her way of giving you the opportunity to step up and show her what you've got. Secret 9, the dreaded fade out. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Sometimes when a woman ignores you, it's because she's just not interested. It's not what you want to hear, but it's the truth. Maybe the spark just wasn't there, or maybe she met someone else. Whatever the reason, it's important to respect her decision and move on. Don't beat yourself up about it. There are plenty of other fish in the sea, and you'll find someone who's just as excited about you as you are about them. Secret 10. Independent Woman, Part 1 and 2. Here's the thing about strong, independent women. They don't need a man to complete them. They have their own lives, their own goals, and their own dreams. And sometimes they need to prioritize those things. So if a woman is ignoring you, it might be because she's focusing on her own independence. She's not trying to push you away. She's just trying to create a life that she loves. And when she's ready to share that life with someone, she will. So there you have it, the secret thoughts women might have when they ignore you. Remember, every woman is different, and there's no one-size-fits-all answer. But hopefully this video has given you a little insight into the female psyche. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. And remember, understanding is the first step to better relationships. Thanks for watching.